Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Callie, and today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. My house is super messy, you guys. I went on vacation for a week and that made my house messy just trying to get ready to go on vacation. And then I got sick on vacation, so I've had the nastiest cold for like the last 2 weeks and I've had no energy. So everything has just kind of piled up and I've just not wanted to clean it. But I'm starting to feel better, so I thought, why not just get my butt up and start cleaning. I do want to mention that this video is in collaboration with one of my friends, Courtney. She is so supportive, such a sweet friend, and she has a YouTube channel similar to mine, and she will be doing the exact same video, an extreme clean with me, messy house, all that jazz. So definitely go check her video out as well, and her channel. I will link everything down below. If you're new to my channel or you're here from Courtney's channel, hi, again, I'm Callie, and I do a lot of home decor and cleaning. That's my main jam, and I would love to have you subscribe if you like those kinds of things. So definitely click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is what my house looked like before. It was just really messy from being on vacation. I needed to take that stuff to the basement and take all of that trash out to the recycling bin. I had tons of stuff just strewn all over my living room because I'd been lounging on the couch from being sick. There were toys out and about. I try to keep these as tidy as I can because they drive me crazy if they're not put away. I had tons of laundry to do. Our bedroom was just a mess, and then our kitchen had just piled up and I really needed to clean it as well. So let's go ahead and jump on into this cleaning video. Okay, so we're gonna start in the kitchen. I really needed to unload the dishwasher and then reload it. And then I needed to wipe down the countertops and just kind of tidy up in here and get rid of stuff that was on our countertops. And I know that a lot of people can not go to bed without having their kitchen clean. I'm not one of those people. I'm always like, oh, I can't wait until tomorrow. It'll still be there. So this was early morning and I just decided to get up and do it and get it over with for the day so that my kitchen would be clean throughout the day. So that's where I'm going to start, and then we'll move into the other areas of my house. move into our master bedroom. I had washed the sheets earlier in the day. Anytime I'm sick, I like to wash the sheets really frequently. I also like to just open up the window in our bedroom and just kind of let some of the fresh air in and let some of the sickness out. So I have our window open. If you see me continuously looking out there, it's because it was pouring down rain and I love to watch the rain. So that's what I was doing there. But I'm just going to go ahead and make up the bed and then straighten up the rest of our master bedroom. So as I was laying in bed sick this week, I looked up and noticed that our ceiling fan was so dirty with dust. So I'm just taking an old pillowcase. It makes it really easy to dust your ceiling fans and it doesn't get all of the dust all over your bed. So that's what I'm doing here. And then we're going to move on into our living room. So I know my house might not have looked super messy or dirty, but there were a lot of areas that just had sticky stuff on it. I do have a 2.5-year-old, so anything that her hands touch, it's usually sticky and it usually goes right on my furniture or on a mirror or the glass door. So I really have to be really diligent about cleaning up sticky surfaces. So you might not see it, but there's sticky stuff all over the floor, all over the tables. And those are the main things that I really wanted to clean because I hate having sticky stuff in my house. So that's really what I'm working on in our living room, is just picking up all the toys and getting rid of any sticky surfaces. I'm also going to vacuum and mop as well. So then moving on into our dining room table, I know I've mentioned it before, but is like a catch-all for every single thing that comes into our house, from mail to my work items. I keep a basket under this table in the back corner that I put my computer and all the stuff I need for YouTube in. So I really just kind of needed to clean that up. Mail gets put on this table, and especially since we got back from vacation, everything just kind of seemed to end up here, and I really just needed to put everything away. So that's what I'm going to do. I also needed to wash our table runner, so I'm going to take that off, and then I'm going to just wipe down the table again, get some of the sticky stuff off, and then vacuum in this area as well. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so please stick around and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out Courtney's video and her channel as well. I'll link it down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your week. See you guys later. Bye.